Every driver loves a new car, the feel, the smell, the excitement. But however careful the driver and however good the car, there could always be danger just around the corner. Thanks to modern car design, I'm shaken but uninjured. The seatbelt grabbers and pre-tensioners kept me safely in my seat, and if the accident had been more serious, the airbag would also have fired, offering me additional protection. But what about the car? Can it be repaired? How much will it cost, and will it ever be as good as new? Well, that's what Thatcham, the Motor Insurance Repair Research Centre, is all about. Researching into the cost-effective, safe repair of accident damage. Research which helps keep insurance premiums as low as possible, and research which can help repairers do their job more quickly and more profitably, while still maintaining the highest quality. Modern cars may be safer, but they're increasingly complex, and some of the features that make them safe can also cause problems for the repairer. For example, do any precautions need to be taken when repairing a vehicle fitted with an airbag? What about the seatbelt pre-tensioners and belt grabbers? Do they need replacing after an accident? How should electronic engine management systems and traction control systems be treated? Security systems are now fitted to many cars, but what does a repairer need to do about them? Then there's the body to consider. Are there any hidden strengtheners like these that could affect the way the vehicle should be repaired? What replacement panels are serviced by the manufacturer? And are they ready to fit, or will they need additional work? These are all questions to which Thatcham has the answers. Answers discovered through painstaking, practical research work. Work like this, repairing accident damage, which may appear to be a relatively simple operation to the casual onlooker, but in every aspect of the job today, there's new equipment to be mastered, new legislation to be adhered to, and new techniques to be learnt. With so many changes happening so quickly, Thatcham holds a unique position, advising repairers and keeping the insurance companies informed of current developments. This car's being repaired quickly, safely and efficiently, using repair methods researched by Thatcham and approved by the manufacturer, as are all Thatcham repair methods. Since 1969, when the research centre was first established, the repair of hundreds of different models has been investigated. The information gathered is published in a methods manual for each vehicle studied, detailing model-specific information, repair methods and times. Now, thanks to TTS, the Thatcham time system, an even wider range of information is available. TTS uses the latest computer technology to calculate repair times from a database containing the results of an intensive practical research program. This research involved the dismantling and reassembly of a wide range of vehicles and the timing of each element of the job. The data gathered was then subjected to intensive statistical analysis to ensure validity. Work on this program was carried out over a period of several months and took over 2,000 man-hours to complete. The database is updated as vehicle design changes, or new tools and methods are introduced. The result is that more repair times can be published more quickly and without the need to dismantle every vehicle. However, practical research is still a very important part of Thatcham's work. The research workshop is equipped to a very high standard and uses equipment from a wide range of manufacturers. This ensures impartiality as well as assisting the accuracy of results. Much of the research is confidential as it involves prototype vehicles, so this work is conducted in secure areas prior to the vehicle's launch. Panel work is undertaken on a body shell whilst research is carried out on a built-up vehicle into the mechanical, electrical and trim elements of a repair. Work is carried out to strict health and safety guidelines in every area, from personal protection to waste disposal, and conforms to all current legislation. In addition to repairing vehicles, Thatcham can also damage them. The crash rig is capable of impacting vehicles of up to 2,500 kilograms at any speed between 5 and 60 kilometers per hour, and with an accuracy of plus or minus 1%. Every impact is recorded on high-speed film, shot at 1,000 frames per second, so it can be subjected to detailed computer analysis. Companies frequently hire these facilities for testing their products, be it a prototype vehicle or a new repair material.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thatcham's crash laboratory conducts all impacts to international standards, and work is carried out in close liaison with manufacturers to help improve the performance of vehicles in an accident situation. Indeed, research into damageability and repairability is an important part of Thatcham's work, and increasingly, manufacturers are involving Thatcham in the early stages of a vehicle's design. Apart from influencing manufacturers through direct discussions, Thatcham has also produced a study detailing construction features which can contribute to good repairability. The impact performance of new vehicles is an important issue on which Thatcham also advises the Insurance Group Rating Committee. Up to 75% of the information required for vehicle grouping is based on data provided by Thatcham's research. Another important concern of insurers is the level of claims arising from automotive crime. Both theft from vehicles and theft of vehicles results in increasing costs for the insurance industry and therefore ultimately for the policyholder. In response to this concern, Thatcham engaged in an intensive programme to produce the British insurance industry's criteria for vehicle security, together with test specifications for security systems. In collaboration with such organisations as the Loss Prevention Council, these systems, whether factory-fitted or aftermarket, are researched. If they successfully meet the criteria, they're added to a list of systems which is distributed to the insurance industry. So what happens to all the information Thatcham generates? There are three principal methods of distribution to subscribers and member insurance companies: training, publications and video. Thatcham's training centre has one of the best equipped training workshops in the country, and training can be offered on any aspect of body repair. There are courses available for experienced personnel who need updating, as well as for newcomers to the business. Indeed, apprentice training is a growing area of the training centre's work, and one in which a notable success rate has already been achieved. The list of previous clients is impressive, and the centre has won a national training award. A range of publications is available, from the methods manuals to parts price guides, special reports and newsletters. Increasingly, this material is being made available on computer disk, and for those requiring immediate information, there's a subscriber inquiry line. Finally, there's Thatcham's award-winning video unit, which produces training and information programs on a variety of technical subjects. Working to broadcast standards, these programs present Thatcham's most recent research and are frequently updated.
The unit also offers its experience in the production of training and promotional programs to external clients. This service is available at a very competitive cost and covers everything from first script through to final packaged copies ready for distribution. Whatever the problem encountered, Thatcham will usually already have researched the vehicle and have the answer. Using the most up-to-date technology and methods, and liaising closely with vehicle manufacturers, Thatcham's work benefits repairers, insurers, manufacturers, and ultimately, of course, the vehicle owner. Looking ahead to new advances in design and leading the way in developing repair methods, Thatcham is truly an organisation with vision, researching today for the needs of the industry tomorrow.